Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your POCO M7 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is check the volume settings. So let me show you guys. Basically, first what you need to do is make sure that volume is enabled to the max, especially the media volume. So now ensure the phone is not set to silent or do not disturb mode. So go here and now make sure that this is disabled, because here we have the DND. As you guys can see, let me show you, silent mode is right here, make sure that's disabled, and do not disturb is here. So now disable the DND, and now make sure that the speaker is not blocked. So make sure that there's no dust or debris on the speaker. You can gently clean it with a soft brush or use the compressed air to blow away anything that might be blocking the sound. I personally use the compressed air, so I recommend you doing that. Here, now you can try and test it with different apps. You can try and confirm if the issue is specific to only one app or is for the entire system. So try playing music on Spotify, a video on YouTube, or try a full sound to see if you hear any audio. Now check if the Bluetooth is on. So go over to the notification center and make sure that Bluetooth here is disabled. Because if the Bluetooth is enabled, it can be connected to something like headphones or a speaker or a CarPlay, and the audio might be routed there instead of your internal speaker on your phone. So make sure that it's disabled or disconnect any connected devices. Now the next one, go over and check the audio settings. So what you guys can do instead of going to the settings is hold the do not disturb, and now we are in the sound and vibration. Here make sure that the adjust volume section is right here, and you guys easily can change that. So as you guys can see, now it's working, but if it's still not working for you, then restarting the phone might do the trick, because sometimes a restart can fix those minor glitches, including speaker issues. So basically tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll down to reboot and wait for your phone to turn back on. I'll see you guys in a second. So now, if it still did not do the trick and you still have problems with your speaker, what you can do is try and update your software. If there's a bug causing the issue, it may have been fixed in a software update. So go over to the settings. Now here you go to About Phone and click on the HyperOS. And as you guys can see, now it will check if there are any updates available for you. As you guys can see, for me there are none, but if you have an update, then I recommend you installing it because of the security patches and also the bug fix. So now if it still did not do the trick, then what you guys can do is go over here to backup and restart, backup your data locally or through the Google backup or the Xiaomi cloud. I personally use the local and the Google backup, but now as a last resort, I recommend doing a factory reset. So click here, now click erase all data, and here drop your pattern or whatever password you have, or if you have one, and then click factory reset after backing up all your important files. If none of those fixes work, then it's possible that your internal speaker is broken or has malfunctioned. So in that case, you should take your POCO to a service center or an authorized repair center for further professional diagnosis and possible repairs. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.